was asked a question about personal injury. Personal injury refers usually to traumatic injuries in the case of motorcycle accidents, trucking accidents, automobile accidents. These, of course, are personal injuries. Those type injuries occurring in a work environment may result in a workers' compensation claim, which is usually governed very strictly by statute. But if you are a victim of an automobile accident, a fall, an injury occurring on a motorcycle or in a truck that's not your fault, and you're unable to work, and maybe you're suffering significant pain, maybe you require significant health care to actually get back to work and get back to where you were before the traumatic event, it's very important that you seek out qualified, knowledgeable, and aggressive counsel. I cannot think of any better combination than an attorney who is a physician to help you evaluate serious injury. I respect attorneys. I know many a great attorney who has significant working knowledge of health care. And that's not to say that to manage a personal injury case you have to have an MD, but you do have to have a knowledge base. And I think the difference is an attorney has to glean that knowledge through practice. If you're an attorney who's been to medical school, you've been extensively educated in trauma management, the health care that goes along and is necessary as a result of serious injury. Again, seek out the most knowledgeable, the most experienced people that you can, because it does make a difference in your recovery. And by that, I don't just mean financial recovery. I mean you're getting your health back and your life back. You being able to get up, move around, appropriately use your hands, walk, move from place to place, climb ladders, go down steps, stoop, bend. You want to get back to full steam as quickly as possible. By the same token, you want your injuries properly evaluated, and particularly if there's any permanency, if you're in any way disabled through this type of trauma, please consider LawMD.com. We care about you. We're interested in helping you. We want to see you do well, and we want to see you back on your feet as soon as possible, minimizing your time away from your family, your time away from work. And again, while the law doesn't have a remedy for every wrong, we will promise to always do the best for you that we can to see that you're properly compensated and that you're able to resume your normal activities of daily living, including employment and time with your family. It's important that you cultivate your relationships with your spouse, your children, your grandchildren, and we don't want you being robbed of those opportunities if you're a victim of another person's negligence.